much, Ryder, from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Tuesday. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude in an Omaha orange metallic exterior. It does have the cold weather group as well as the remote entry package. And I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of are the stunning halogen headlights. As I pan right below that, you'll also see that it comes with running fog lights. And as we make our way back up in here to the middle, you'll see that black grill insert along with the chrome trim, as well as that patented chrome Jeep logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the 17-inch aluminum wheels that are part of the quick order package that comes along with this vehicle as well. Now, this does also have the proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket, you can press that button and it'll lock and unlock. And that is part of the keyless remote entry package. While we're over here, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. As you can see, it is going to come with a premium black cloth interior with some of this beautiful engraved here in the middle. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that black dash finish up top with some of this silver metallic looking trim over along your air vents. And while we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Jeep Renegade, your tire depths will be 7 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 11 and 32 seconds with your rear brakes being 10 and 32 seconds. Make our way to the back seat now. As you can see, that premium black cloth interior is going to stay consistent back here as well. If we take a look here behind the driver and passenger seat, you will see that there is a USB port down there as well. Not to mention the all-weather lined seasoned mats, so don't worry about getting your carpet dirty. Coming around here to the rear, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera, so don't worry about backing up into anything. And while we're back here, let's go ahead and lift the trunk for you guys, showing you guys how much space there actually is. Now, as you can see, it does have a pretty spacious trunk here, allowing for plenty of room to haul groceries or anything you could possibly think of. Not to mention the extra storage here on the netted compartments here on the left and right side. Making our way up here to the interior features of this vehicle is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Now that we're inside, let's go ahead and start this up for you guys. And as you can see, it is the push button start. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. And as you can see, you get a nice little start up there on your middle display. You're gonna take notice that this vehicle is gonna come with extremely low mileage, just over 33,000. And if we come here to the left side of your steering wheel, you're gonna have some different options over here. The main one being all of your headlight adjustments with the option of your automatic headlights. And you're also gonna have the option to change the brightness to both your driver and middle display. If we take here a look at the left knob behind your steering wheel, it is gonna be your turn signals as well as your high beams and low beams. And if we take a look here at the right side, that's gonna be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. And it does have the rain sensitive windshield wipers. So as long as it is set to that automatic mode, whenever it starts raining, your windshield wipers will automatically start going. And we take here a look at the left side of your steering wheel. It's going to be all of your middle display as well as your touch to talk down below. And on the right side, you're going to have all of your typical cruise control options. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have that large Uconnect touchscreen display, and it is going to come equipped with Apple and Android CarPlay. It also does have smart device mirroring. Not to mention, it does also have that AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Now, if you take a look there at the bottom of the screen, you also see that these front seats are heated as well as your steering wheel is heated. Moving on below that, you'll see that you're gonna have some different options down here at the climate control being at the touch of your fingertips, with your 4 ways being here in the middle, as well as to turn your screen off and to mute. And if we move even further down, you'll see that there's some different options down here for your different modes, your automatic mode, your snow, sand, and mud mode, as well as your four-wheel drive lock. Looking over here to the right, you are going to see a USB port, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in. A storage compartment located down below that, with your beautiful shifter knob here. your parking brake, your traction control there on the right side, 2 cup holders, a small storage compartment, usually for a phone. And when we come back here and take a look, you will see you will have a large center console. Finally, to end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top, you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a Tiger Shark multi-air 2.4 liter engine with 180 horsepower. You also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Now, I will say that typically all used vehicles do have typical typical stone chips here in the front. However, I will mention that this vehicle is extremely clean and there are no stone chips here in the front. You are going to have just a small one there, as well as a small one there. As we take a look though, there are hardly any. And as we come here to the passenger side of the body, as you can see, it is in great condition. There is no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents along this entire side of the body. Showing you guys each individual tire real quick. As you can see, these rims are also in very good condition. You are going to have some slight curb rash here at the bottom of this one. Coming back here to the passenger side rear, you are going to see that this one is also in very good condition. There is no curb rash on that one. Coming around here to the rear, all used vehicles typically have some typical trunk scratches, and as you can see, this one is in great condition. There are no major scratches. Then finally, making our way back up here to the driver's side of the body, this tire seems to be in great condition as well. No curb rash on that. You are going to have a slight imperfection here. The body is in great condition. Once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents on that. You are going to have a slight imperfection up here next to the windshield. And then finally, coming back up here to this driver front tire, it is also in very good condition. No curb rash on that rim as well. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude in an Omaha orange metallic exterior. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like, subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have a great Tuesday, guys.